Truly. Are you feeling better? Okay, yeah, look at those. That's a bin full of beads that she has just flung to the universe there. Are you having fun? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. What? Uh-oh. Oh dear. Oh my gosh. There goes the paper. Whoops. Towel roll. I can hear it screaming all the way over here. Ah. Shirley, what are you doing? I think she's feeling better. Oh, back to the beads. Okay. And here's Mr. Trinket. Say hi, Trinket. Show him that you're okay now with your birdie buddy. It's your new BBF. Or BFF, or I don't even know what it's called.